What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is a very exciting install that we did here at Yosie Overland. This is an F550 super single conversion, and this truck is an absolute unit, especially with the Tahoe short bed on there. So you guys had requested a Tahoe short bed walk around video. This is going to be kind of a quick uncut video of how we made this Tahoe short bed work on this F550. Now, why a Tahoe short bed on an F550? Because it has a long box. Well, the reason is he has this really nice aluminum flatbed with boxes on here, which a lot of people are going to with super singles in order to make the truck basically kind of like an Earth Roamer. I won't say Earth Roamer, or a Rossmonster. Anyways, inside these boxes, we had a fabrication company, a local fabrication company, get involved, and you can see the torque lift fast guns, which are fastened down into the bed here, going through the boxes. So these are the shorties. These are the short fast guns. There's two different lengths. Obviously, in this case, you need the shorter one. So we love fast guns. We love all torque lift products. They make these installs an absolute breeze. And if you look up in here, our fabrication company actually used a brake and used stainless material in order to fabricate some brackets to go at an angle down into the box. And on top, I'll grab the camera real quick so you can see. It's kind of hard to get up in there, but the hatches have been drilled out. It's a 6-inch hole, and there's a hatch in order to close that when the camper is not on there. So a Tahoe short bed is a double slide and is the smallest truck camper that Host makes. This one's been outfitted with a larger generator compartment, has your outside shower, and plumbing for an outside barbecue, so you can put a Honda 2200 generator or like in there. Here's your 30 amp shore power plug-in, and then this has also the storage bay slide out tray, which we have a lot of our additional accessories up in here. So in this case, he did need lifting blocks in order to get it on and off the truck. So we supplied him with those. And then traditional steps. In this case, you might look at doing a torque lift 5-step or potentially a 6-step because of the height of the truck or the lift with the super singles and the lift kit. We've installed a longer hitch extension. In this particular case, we weren't able to get a Magnum 30K torque lift hitch up in here because he has a very custom rear winch slash hitch receiver here, which is really cool, and we didn't want to mess with it. In most cases, you just be doing a torque lift Magnum 30K in order to get a super hitch extension in about a 48-inch variant, depending on your trailer and all that kind of stuff. So working around to the side here, of course, we love the slides that Host come with. They're very strong, very robust. These are steel gear-driven mechanisms. They're zinc coated, got double seal here, and more of the same on the back. One thing I did want to point out that our fabrication company did a great job with is matching this slope here to the camper. Originally, these boxes were just square cut, and this allows the camper to fit nicely. And again, he tucked these mounts very, very perfect. So that allows him to secure the camper to the flatbed. So we'll work our way up into the camper now. All right, so in the Tahoe short bed, you do not get the recliners because there's simply no room. You could potentially put one here in the middle, but it would be obtrusive to the flow of the camper. We're sitting on a 6-foot dinette, which also does turn out into a couch. This is the Lagoon table that's maneuverable. It oscillates, it spins, it moves all around, so you can kind of clock it however you'd like. And then just behind us here at the entryway, we've got our 4 cupboards or storage area. That's where Starlink would go if you did put it there. But yeah, that's extra storage for your pantry, you know, potentially clothes and all that good stuff. Clothes, really, though, if you look at this area. So we're a queen bed back here. Clothes will go in this wardrobe as well. You can hang shirts and put all of your, you know, clothes in there. We've got our egress up here. So our window. When you do put a wardrobe here, you do lose one window, but we think that's well worth it to have the extra storage space. You've got 110 outlets as well as USBs in the bed area, and then 2 LED lights, and then you have one window over here. Some people say, well, I need all my windows. Well, you're gonna be in the bed area when you're sleeping, so you don't really need all the windows. I know it's nice, but again, we'd much prefer, and we've had a lot of customers request having additional storage, so that's why we put it in there. Last minute, we made a quick pivot, putting a TV in the bedroom area. Pretty simple. Host gives us the schematic to drill into the wall, 3/4-inch screws going into a piece of plywood backing that's back there. And then the living room area, really nice. This is a 6.5-foot bed, and there's tons of room in here. So what I really like about the Tahoe short bed, you can kind of see from this from back here, if you're looking this way, is that you have 2 entrances to your bedroom. You have that on the Mammoth, Everest, and Yukon as well. But there's a big partition, your storage area. Obviously this is all flipped because we're in a Tahoe. Your storage area is taking up this whole middle section. So I like this because you can get up and out either way. It's not obtrusive if both people need to go to the bathroom. We put a 120 volt heated fireplace, which is obviously a source of heat, and my favorite because of the nice ambiance. It does have a furnace as well, and then a TV in the living room. Up here we've got additional storage. We've got a Rec Pro 13,500 BTU air conditioning unit. And then my favorite fridge, this is the 10 cubic foot Dometic 12 volt fridge. It is not 3-way, it is 12 volt, so it runs off your 12 volt. We've got a couple solar panels on the roof that get close to running this when you have a good amount of sun outside. Got a nice big mirror here, kind of like a map pocket or some sort of, documents, whatever you want, books back here. If one was to put a recliner, you could look at taking this out and potentially putting it right here. That's putting you pretty darn close. That's like IMAX, looking back at the TV. But if you really wanted to, this would be the area. Otherwise, you're taking out this dinette. Not ideal. So, kitchen area, we've got our microwave convection oven, a 2-burner stove, and on all the hosts, you have this nice, large, residential size sink. And then if you need additional prep space, you got this guy here. So that'll pop up. And now you have an additional cutting board, storage, or not storage, cutting board / whatever you want to use it for. And then that just folds down. Going into the bathroom here, same bathroom, well, similar dimensions to every other host. We've got our toilet, sink, vanity, or cupboards with your mirror, whatever you want to call that. And then I'll let you get back in here. This is my favorite part of host. I mean, you get a dry bath in a 6.5 foot. Really nice shower pan. So you got tons of room. Let me open this for you so you can see the whole thing. Might have to get back there a little bit. Yeah, so the bathrooms in these, again, for a 6.5 foot truck bed camper, pretty impressive. I'd say it's actually nicer than the house that I'm staying in right now. So, all the windows in here, if you look out the back there, we put the solar cool insulation / tinting on them. So you could barely see in here from the outside, so it gives you privacy. Also, doesn't allow it to get as hot in here when the sun's out. So that is pretty much in a nutshell, a quick walkthrough of the Tahoe Short Bed. I know you guys have been requesting it. This one is being sold today, and the gentleman's going to be here very soon. And I wanted to do a quick video, although it's not B-roll cut and all fancy like the other one, just to kind of give you an idea the amount of space you can have with a Tahoe Short Bed if you have a 6.5 foot truck bed. We can order these custom for you. We can, talk to you for days about what type of truck you need, what accessories, suspension upgrades, and then what options and price, of course. So my name's Austin. I'm the general sales manager here. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. You can check out our website at yozioverland.com. We're on all the YouTubes, Facebook, and Instagram. Our number here, and we're in Post Falls, Idaho, is 208-262-7216. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.